In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Storage over here. And when you're ready, select Cleanup at the bottom. Then choose Cleanup next to Junk Files and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my storage was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!